225 grams of ice-cold butter hitting a steel bowl. That sharp, percussive clatter is the heartbeat of the great American dessert. A truly perfect apple pie is an engineering marvel, a shattering, structurally sound crust housing a tender, deeply caramelized filling that never dissolves into soup. To achieve this, we have to throw away the store-bought shortcuts and master the chemistry of flour, fat, and fruit. Joining me at the bench are Sarah Jenkins, a third-generation heritage pie maker from Maine, and Dr. Marcus Chen, a pastry scientist who has mapped the thermal dynamics of baked fruit. The secret to a shattering crust is strict temperature control. First, combine 315 grams/2.5 cups of all-purpose flour with 5 grams/1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Second, cut in 225 grams/8 ounces of unsalted butter straight from the fridge at exactly 4 degrees Celsius/40 degrees Fahrenheit. Work it with a pastry blender until you have pea-sized shards coated in flour. Third, add exactly 60 milliliters/1/4 cup of ice water. Gently fold the mass, do not knead, until it just holds together. Fourth, divide the dough into 2 equal discs, wrap tightly, and chill at 4 degrees Celsius/40 degrees Fahrenheit for a mandatory 120 minutes to relax the gluten. While the dough hydrates, we engineer the filling. Structural integrity requires a blend of tart and sweet apples. Step 1. Peel and slice 1.1 kilograms/2.5 pounds of apples, half Granny Smith for acidity, half Honeycrisp for structure, into exactly 6 millimeters/1/4 inch thick wedges. Step 2. Toss them with 150 grams/3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 4 grams/2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 15 milliliters/1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Step 3. Let them macerate at room temperature, around 21 degrees/70 degrees, for exactly 60 minutes. Osmosis will extract the excess water, preventing a soggy bottom crust during the bake. While those apples weep, roll out your bottom disc. Step 1. On a lightly floured surface, roll the chilled dough out to a 30 centimeter/12 inch circle, ensuring your room remains cool, ideally under 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Drape it gently into a 23 centimeter/9 inch glass pie dish, leaving a 2.5 centimeter/1 inch overhang. Never stretch the dough to fit, or it will snap back and shrink during the bake. Step 3. Place this lined dish back into the refrigerator at 4 degrees Celsius/40 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes while Marcus finishes the filling syrup. Now we address the liquid. Step 1. Drain the macerated apples, capturing all that extracted juice in a bowl. Step 2. Transfer the liquid to a small saucepan and simmer over medium-high heat, roughly 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for exactly 5 minutes until it reduces by half to a thick syrup. Step 3. Whisk in 14 grams by 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and 8 grams by 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Step 4. Pour this concentrated caramel over your drained apple slices and fold gently to coat. Finally, mount the apples tightly into your chilled bottom crust, pressing down slightly to eliminate any hidden air pockets. Time for assembly. Step 1. Roll your second dough disc to another 30 centimeters/12 inch circle and cut it into 10 2 centimeters/3/4 inch strips. Step 2. Weave them tightly over the mounted apples in a lattice pattern. Step 3. Trim the overhang, fold the bottom crust up over the lattice edges, and crimp firmly with your thumbs to seal. Step 4. Whisk 1 large egg with 15 milliliters/1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Brush this wash over the lattice, avoiding the crimped edges to prevent burning, and chill the assembled pie at 4 degrees Celsius/40 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Baking requires a 2-stage thermal shock. Step 1. Preheat your oven with a baking steel inside to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Place the chilled pie directly on the hot steel and bake for 20 minutes to rapidly set the bottom crust. Step 3. Lower the heat to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for 45 to 50 minutes. The internal temperature of the filling must hit exactly 90 degrees Celsius, 195 degrees Fahrenheit to fully activate the cornstarch. Step 4. Remove from the oven and cool at room temperature for a mandatory 180 minutes so the fruit pectin fully sets. 3 non-negotiable takeaways for the ultimate American apple pie. 1. Temperature dictates texture. Keep your butter, water, and resting dough at 4 degrees Celsius/40 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Marinate your apples for 60 minutes and reduce the extracted juice to permanently banish soggy crusts. 3. Employ a two-stage bake, starting at 220 degrees Celsius / 425 degrees Fahrenheit to flash set the pastry, and wait a grueling 180 minutes before slicing. Thank you to Sarah Jenkins for the heritage technique and Dr. Marcus Chen for the thermal science. Now, it is time to cut a slice.